Hello and namaskar to everyone. My best wishes to you on National Sports Day. It is 29th August 2020 today and we are celebrating Sports Day, National Sports Day today. Students, this is the birth anniversary that we celebrate, the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand, who was a shining light, a beacon in the field of sports. He himself was a very famous hockey player, and as we know that our school is in Jhansi, so for us, National Sports Day should be an event of very high importance because Major Dhyan Chand was born in Jhansi. If Jhansi is known for two very famous people, the first is of course goes without saying Rani Lakshmi Bai, and the second one is Major Dhyan Chand. Now today I would like to talk to you about how we should stay fit and active. By saying, when I say being fit and active, I do not mean to say that you should necessarily be very slim, size 0, very slim and trim. No, you should be active, you should be fit. And how can we do that? There are so many ways that we can do that. The first is that you should exercise daily. If you exercise daily, your body helps you to retain your active levels. We think that if we exercise, after exercising we will feel very tired, but it's not true. After exercising we will feel even more energized, we will feel even more strong, we'll feel a lot of stamina in our body. So we should exercise every day. The exercise should be a balance between cardio and strength training. Now what is cardio? Cardio means any exercise in which your heartbeat goes up. Now something like power yoga, aerobics, running, jogging, playing badminton, all of this is a very good all of these are very good cardio exercises that you can do. Then you can do some strength exercises like lifting weights. Okay, you can also do push-ups at your home. Boys can do push-ups. These exercises are very good for you. Now if you're not very comfortable with these exercises, yoga is always a very good option. You should go for yoga. You should be thankful to Baba Ramdev, who has popularized yoga so well around the world. India is now known as the hub of yoga. And not only yoga for fitness, but also yoga for wellness. Some other types of yoga like Isha yoga, meditation, heartfulness, they are also becoming popular. So along with physical fitness, mental fitness and wellness is also needed. You can do a lot of yoga postures to keep yourself fit. You can do a lot of pranayam if you cannot do very heavy exercises. Pranayam is very good for you. It keeps your internal organs working well. The next step to being fit and healthy is your schedule for the day. Waking up at the right time, waking up early in the morning and going to bed early at night. It is said that early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So all of these things are indeed true in our context. Because if we wake up early, the oxygen levels in the morning are very good for you. Move out of your house, take 5 to 10 deep breaths and you feel very good within you, because the pure form of oxygen that is going inside your body at that time, you cannot get it any other time of the day. Now when you go to bed early at night, you can always start early in the morning. Those who sleep late will always wake up late, and that is not good lifestyle. Now in the times of COVID, we are all confined into our homes. We can keep fit and healthy if we do exercises as I told you, and also if we keep a good lifestyle. And the first thing that comes when you talk about lifestyle is that you should wake up and go to bed at correct times. And that should ideally happen around 10 p.m. in the night. You should go to bed. And at 5 a.m. or 5:30 a.m. you should definitely wake up. You should go outside your house. You should take some deep breaths. Then you should do your regular activities, and then you should definitely go for a morning walk. If you cannot go outside for a morning walk, you can of course do some walking on the road in front of your house. You can do some rope skipping, you can do some jumping, you can do aerobics, even you can play some music and your entire family can do aerobics together. All of this is very beneficial for you all. Now, after exercise and lifestyle, what are the other things that should be taken care of? Of course, eating healthy. Avoid all forms of junk food and do not eat outside in times of corona because it's very unsafe. Keep safe, because if you will keep safe your family, you will be able to keep your family members also safe. You should increase your intake of all food items that have vitamin C, like lemon. You should try to get oranges, or if you do not get oranges, you can have Mosambi, that is also full of vitamin C. You should take some fresh coconut. You should eat fresh coconut. You should eat walnut, जिसको हम हिंदी में अखरोट कहते हैं. अखरोट भी आपको लेना चाहिए, that is very good for you. You should also get some ginger in your food. Ginger juice is also very good. Then you can also get some herbs like extracts of tulsi and giloy. That will keep you fit and fine. It will boost your immunity. Go for natural things. Don't go for a lot of Chyawanprash and all these things, because ultimately everything is processed with chemicals. Of course, it has a lot of natural ingredients, but if you take these things directly, that will be more beneficial for you. A lot of you live in the Kant area. You might have seen a lot of herbs trees. So you should try to collect herbs naturally and consume those herbs. Now, other things that you can do to keep fit and healthy is that maintain very good hygiene in your life. Keep your home very clean and neat at all times. Now, this is the time of monsoon. We see that every day there are bouts of rainfall every day. So keep your coolers empty of water. There should be no water now. There shouldn't be a lot of water stored anywhere, because that is breeding ground for mosquitoes. If we follow all these steps, we can definitely keep fit and healthy. Thank you. I hope this video must have given you some good advice and tips. Thank you, and again, best wishes for National Sports Day.